today's video. I'm taking Draco on a hike with my friend and her dog tomorrow morning, but I wanted to get everything kind of situated today because we're leaving pretty early in the morning tomorrow. So I thought I would show you guys everything that I'm packing for Draco for our hike. I think we're only doing like 3 miles, 2 to 3 miles tomorrow. It'll be like around a 2-hour hike and it's supposed to get pretty warm, so we're gonna try and go early before it gets too hot for the dogs. The first thing I'm bringing is Draco's rough wear cooling vest. I got this from REI and it's just worked super well. The past couple times we used it, and like I said, it's gonna be hot, so he definitely needs this. Then obviously his collar. This is his collar from Pups. Then I have some underside flea and tick spray. I'll just spray this on him before the hike. Obviously water. Honestly, I'm gonna bring like 3 to 4 water bottles for him because he drinks so much water and he's very big. Then we have poop bags, of course. These are the earth rated poop bags, the best ones in my opinion. His harness, this is from Wild One. I'm going to get a better harness for him, like probably a non-stop dog wear harness. Once he fills out more and grows more, this one will do for now. Then I'm just bringing his mat that I can put in the car after the hike so he doesn't get everything dirty. And then for leashes, I'm bringing his long line and then just a regular slip lead. I kind of alternate between these two during the hike depending on the situation. So if it's super crowded, if there's dogs around, I'll put him on the slip lead. Otherwise, he kind of can roam on the long line. And then I always bring snacks with us. So obviously he has treats because we work on training during these hikes as well. I've been using the Spot and Tango Unkibble for his training treats because he loves Unkibble. This is also a complete and balanced meal, so it's perfect. So I think we're gonna do Catawba Falls or Catawba Falls. I don't know how to say it. I'm new to the area, but I think we're gonna do the Catawba Falls hike in North Carolina. It's about a 2-hour drive from Charlotte, so we're gonna leave pretty early, probably around like 5:30 so we can get there before the crowds at around like 7:30, and then be done around like 9:30-ish, and then we're gonna head to Asheville, I think, for the day because I haven't been to Asheville. My friend hasn't been to Asheville either, and just like walk around and explore. I heard it's a pretty dog-friendly city, and I definitely want to go. They need tourism.
Good morning. It is 5:30 in the morning. I woke up at 4:30 because we're gonna try and get to the trailhead by like 7:30. My friend and her dog just got here, so we're gonna go out and walk the dogs around a little bit so they can meet and like not be crazy in the car, and then we're gonna hit the road. This is everything I'm packing. Honestly, I'm packing like I'm gonna be there for 2 days and we're only gonna be there for like 5 hours. I just have like so much stuff. I just prepare for like every scenario.
Okay, we made it to the trail. It was like a 2-hour drive, I would say. Not bad at all. These allergies are crazy though. Okay. So I'm just using All Trails to track our hike. Do you have All Trails yet?
I don't know if I use it.
I love this app. Okay, so Draco. We're doing Catawba Falls River and Ridge Loop. Okay, perfect. Started it. Okay, hopefully they calm down.
Go, Draco!
Good boys. Bruce's first time in the stream. Whoa, Draco, whoa. Come on, buddy. Come on, come on, come on. Draco, this way. So we have this pond we have to cross. Okay, we finished the hike. Do you have a rash on the back of my neck?
I can see a little rash.
It's because I put his leash right here and my skin is like, does not like it. We finished the hike. The boys did pretty good. They were crazy, but you know, they're puppies, so it's to be expected. It's 10 o'clock now and the parking lot is full.
Oh.
So if you want to do this hike, do not come at 10. We came at like, what, 8:15? 8:15 and we pretty much had the trail to ourselves, so definitely don't show up after 8:15 if you want good pictures of the waterfall, because it's crazy. Do you want some of this? Now we're gonna head to Asheville. I'm gonna look up some places right now to see where we're gonna go. And the boys are tired, let me show you.
Firstly, let them lay down. Aww.
So cute, nice and tired. We are in Asheville. We are at Sunnypoint Cafe. It's dog friendly, so we're just waiting to eat. Obviously we have the dogs with us. And then Bruce is over there. Anyways, it's my first time in Asheville and it's a cute little like mountain town. I can totally see the appeal. I have seen some of the damage of the hurricane, especially on the hike we just did, but I love that it's such like a tight-knit community. Like, there are volunteers here just picking up trash, which I feel like you don't see typically. So I really love that people like love their community here.